Strategy number 8 that is unique to Helium 10 is we show keyword sales estimates. Before, all you had with Helium 10 and other tools still only have that is search volume. Like, what are the actual searches? How many searches are there per month? Now, why do we want search volume? Why do we care? Well, we assume that the higher the search volume, the higher the sales are, which for the most part is actually true. But at the end of the day, wouldn't you rather know, hey, what is the estimated number of sales that this generates? Because it's not always equivalent to higher and lower search volume. Let me show you exactly how I mean. So here's one of the search results for the coffin shelf keyword, right? And you could see that, a lot of times, yes, keyword sales is very similar to the trajectory of search volume. Here we've got a keyword with 170,000 search volume, 1,350 sales. Here's one that's a little bit less, 136,000 search volume, 1,200 sales, all right? But then what happens sometimes? Look at this. Here are two keywords with near identical search volume. Floating shelves bathroom has 15,900 searches. Gothic decor has 15,900 searches. So maybe you're looking at these two keywords. Hey, which is the more important keyword? Which keyword should I put in my title? Which one should I focus on in PPC? They both have the same search volume. Look at the estimated sales. Floating shelves bathroom has 233 estimated sales in the last week, but Gothic decor only has 95. So even though these two keywords have the same search volume, which keyword is more valuable? Obviously, floating shelves bathroom. And it kind of makes sense because floating shelves bathroom is very specific, right? Like somebody who types in that probably has something very specific in mind. Somebody who's typing in Gothic decor, a lot of those people aren't even going to buy something because maybe they're just kind of browsing, right? And so you can clearly see that with the data that Helium 10 is showing you, hey, the more valuable keyword is floating shelves bathroom. I mean, if it was equally relevant, let's just say, because it generates more than 2 times the number of sales, even though the two keywords have the same search volume. What tool is the only tool that gives you sales instead of just search volume? It's Helium 10.